So another SAS, it's called hip hinge. Hip hinge is required in all of the forward bend poses. And we really want to encourage our students to understand what hip hinge is about so that when they bend over, not even on their yoga mat, but perhaps they're bending over at home to go pick something up, that they're actually using the hips to bend instead of using the lower back to bend. Here's what it looks like. I'm going to turn around from the side view. And we'll place my hands right on top of my hips. Actually, if we can get your fingers to move on the insides of these hip bones and feel some of the soft tissue, I'm going to push my fingertips back into the soft tissue. My hips are going to go back this way, but my chest is going to go this way, all the way through the crown of my head. So here's a proper hip hinge and a forward bend. Here's a bend at the lower back without any hip hinge. Do you see how my hips aren't moving at all? And my back is just bending and falling forward? Even when I come up, I'm not really using the hips. If you can imagine that there's two dials resting right here at the outer hips, and when you go forward into a bend, that they're moving in a clockwise motion, when you come back, that they're pulling back in a counterclockwise position, or motion. Look at this. Turning, 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 hips back, chest and spine forward through the crown of the head. Hips come forward, turning those dials, spine lines right up on top of the pelvis again, as well as the crown of the head. That's a proper hip hinge, and that's what we want to try to encourage in our students in the forward bends.